Just 35 kilometers from Bishkek, Zil Ski Resort is, one of the most accessible mountain getaways in Kyrgyzstan. Tucked into the Chuy region at an altitude between 1,850 and 2,330 meters, it gives visitors the chance to leave the city in the morning and be skiing on snowy slopes before lunch. With around 10 to 12 kilometers of groomed runs, the resort isn't huge, but honestly that's exactly what makes it so inviting for beginners, families, and anyone who wants a relaxed alpine experience without the stress of long travel or overcrowded pistes. The terrain is gentle, the air is crisp, and the atmosphere is welcoming. The infrastructure is simple but effective, with 5 rope lifts that cover the main slopes. There is a chairlift, a surface lift, 2 T-bars for intermediate skiers, and even a small baby lift for children and first-time skiers. This mix of options makes Zil a great training ground for new skiers, while still offering variety for those who want to practice turns and build confidence. The resort may not have the scale of international destinations, but it has won the hearts of locals and visitors alike, ranking as one of the best ski resorts in Kyrgyzstan. Part of Zil's charm lies in how easy it is to reach and enjoy. The access road is well maintained, and the base area can accommodate up to 700 cars, which means weekend visitors from Bishkek can arrive without hassle. Prices are affordable compared to many other ski resorts, and the overall atmosphere is more about community and simplicity than high-end luxury. For many people, that's exactly the point. Zil is not about showing off, it's about enjoying the mountains. The ski season runs from December through March, when the snow is reliable and the views over the surrounding Alatu Mountains are honestly just breathtaking. But Zil is not just a winter playground. In the warmer months, the resort transforms into an activity center with mountain toboggan rides, zip lining, and even local traditions like Kim is tasting, where visitors can try fermented mare's milk, a classic part of Kyrgyz culture. This year-round appeal makes Zil more than just a ski base. It's a versatile destination that locals and travelers can enjoy in every season. Zil may not offer heli-skiing or world-class luxury hotels, but it provides something equally valuable: authenticity, affordability, and a warm spirit that keeps people coming back. It's the kind of place where you can learn to ski, take in the mountain scenery, and enjoy a day away from the city without breaking the bank. Whether you're a beginner, a family, or simply someone looking for a genuine Kyrgyz mountain experience, Zil Ski Resort is a destination that proves sometimes the best adventures are found close to home. Do you like this video? Please like and share. If you want more information about skiing in Central Asia, subscribe to our channel and visit our website via the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.